as you see, the belt, it looks like a little worn out. As you see, looks like it needs, you know, help. It don't look that bad, but it's making a noise. Let me show you how to check it to make sure it's the belt. Sometimes you see cracks in there too, but I'm gonna have to take it off and see the cracks. You hear that noise? You hear that? Now to check it, to make sure it's the belt, get some water, and just put it on the belt. If it goes away, it's the belt. See that? It went away. So if it kept on making a noise, that would mean one of the pulleys are bad or getting worn out. So lucky for me, it's the belt. So let's get it. Just jack the car up and start this. Okay, so move the wheel. Now we gotta remove this over here. There's a clip puller. This thing looks like it's out already. Let's get the clip, pop, 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 in the 10 mil. Oh shit, tightening it. Stupid. Okay. So take that off. Put those in there. Alright. Now, tensioner is right. They put the flash on. Right there. You see that? Little 14 mil right there. You're gonna swing that back, and there's supposed to be like a hole there to put the tensioner, so it could stay like that. So let's get a 14. Pop on that. Get your 14 mil. You can't really get a long one because it won't really have space unless you got the folded one. But this, I got 6 point, so you have to turn that way towards the car firewall, so the tension could lose its tension. Or it's type easy if you have strength. Cause look, see, just pull towards the firewall. See that? And it get loose. Now I'm gonna try to get to that hole so I could put it in there, and the tensioner could stay there. You see what I'm talking about when I swing it. I already swinged it, so let me show you what I'm talking about. What I did. You see that? I put that a little screwdriver. I mean, a little bolt I put there. You see that? I put it right there. So I went behind it just to push it through. So leave it like that. All right. The tensioner will stay put. And now I can take off the belt. Remove the belt. Taking off the tensioner first. It's easier. It'll come off way easier. Take off the tensioner. And just take everything off. Out of there. Okay. Alright, there we go. It's out. Now let's check this thing. Yeah, this thing been through. Oh yeah, look at the cracks in there. Look at the cracks. Look at the cracks. See that? See little cracks, little tiny. Starting. It was gonna get bigger and bigger. Trust me. Trust me. But yeah, this thing's worn out. And you see? Look at that. You see that? Now let's get the new one. Look at the new one. Look at that. No cracks. See that? And I'm bending it. See the difference? No cracks. And cracked. Old and new. See that? Alright, let's install this. Okay, so follow my diagram over here. This is the JM diagram. You see right here. That'll be the power steering. That'll be the tensioner, water pump, alternator, AC, and crank. This is how you route it. Just like that. Okay? You can pause the video, screenshot, and do that. Alright, so I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. Okay? Unless you didn't see the bolt. Let's see if you can see it now. Can you see it now? That bolt I was talking about. You see it? Right there. Chilling. Alright, let me route the belt and be back. Before you release it, make sure everything is in place, nothing's hanging out, because the belt will wear faster, trust me. Okay, so make sure nothing's hanging out and everything's aligned straight. Okay, once you do that, release the tension and you should be good. Just in case anybody curious and want to see where I put this bolt, the bolt is right there. Okay, you seen that? That's how you do it. Okay, now let's start the car and make sure there's no noise. As you see, no more noise. No more noise. Alright, let's put the wheels on and wrap it up. So that's for anybody with a 2.5 motor who's trying to do it themselves, or they're curious how it's done.